So here we go, guys. This is my ultra lemon pound cake. Ultra lemon. Ultra lemon, meaning that it packs a nice lemon flavor. It has that wonderful lemon flavor. And it's so delicious and simple, a simple recipe. Let's go to those ingredients and watch me do this step by step ultra lemon pound cake. I'll see you over there. And here are the ingredients you'll need for the ultra lemon sour cream pound cake. It's a nice, simple ingredients and simple method. So, first of all, the sugar. I have an infused, lemon infused sugar here. You can do it overnight if you want, if you have the time. You can do it overnight. You grate your lemon zest, grate your lemon zest into the sugar, into 2 cups of sugar, the sugar that you're going to use, and leave it overnight so that it could be well infused. And I'm using the zest of 2 lemons just to get a nice hearty lemon flavor into the sugar. And you don't go too deep. Don't get to the white. Just the lemon. You just need the lemon zest in here. Okay. So that's your lemon infused sugar. 2 cups of sugar infused with the lemon zest. You can do it overnight, or you can leave it just for a few hours, and before you use it, and just let that infuse. We'll need the juice of 1 lemon. Juice of 1 lemon. So we just juice that lemon right there. We need 3 sticks of butter at room temperature. When you know it's room temperature, when you put your finger in it, it should indent like that. So that's room temperature butter. I have half a cup of sour cream, and I have 4 ounces of cream cheese. So I'm going to mix these 2 together. We are going to use the lemon juice. We're going to mix the lemon juice into the sour cream and the cream cheese. That's our mixture. Then we have 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 3 teaspoons of baking powder. 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour here. I'm using the pre-sifted 5 Roses flour. It's a Canadian product. And I have 6 eggs, which I'm going to use. 6 eggs at room temperature. Sour cream at room temperature, cream cheese at room temperature, butter at room temperature. Everything has to be room temperature. So let's go over to the mixer and get our sugar and butter all mixed in along with the cream cheese and the sour cream, and make that nice and light and fluffy. So into the mixer we have our cream cheese, sour cream, butter, and lemon infused sugar along with the lemon juice, and we'll just get this going. And we'll using your low speed. We'll use the low speed. At least start at the low. You can go up to maybe 2 and just let that work. And get it nice and fluffy. It will take maybe 5 or 7 minutes. So whilst this is doing its thing, let's prepare a pan and crack our eggs. And here I'm using my Nordic Ware bundt pan, an original bundt pan from Nordic Ware. And we're going to butter this, and butter and flour. Once you get this prepared, get this ready, and I'll be back. Now we'll add our eggs one at a time. And we'll let that mix until you don't see any yellow anymore. Before you pour the other egg in there. I'm adding my vanilla. I just whisk in the baking powder into the flour just to get it evenly distributed. The pan is already done, so let's go and we'll put the get the flour into the mixture. For this I'm going to use a spoon just to get it in here easily. Once everything is incorporated, I usually would like to finish this by hand. Just give it a few stirs before I pour it into the prepared pan. And we're going to bake this at 350 for about an hour and 20 minutes. We'll see. But when you put your toothpick in there, once it comes out clean, you know, your cake is done. So I'll just give this a few more turns and it'll be ready. So get it all in there, smooth it down.